in front of me is REALME 9i, and today I would like to show you how you can check all specifications of this smartphone. First of all, go into Play Store, tap on the search bar and simply type in DevCheck. Now you need to install this free app from this developer, DevCheck Hardware and System Info. After that, open it. Thanks to this app, you can find out all the information about your Realme's dashboard, hardware, system, battery, network, apps, camera, and even sensors. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to smash that like button, comment, and definitely subscribe. Bye!